uyaleka impilo esiyilebuni iyaphela ngizange. Wasitshela ukuthi uMkhulu kasifundi isikole ukuthi impilo yethu izokhona ukubambeka. Uyabona ukuthi manje impilo seyizima manje njengamanje impilo sithola amaphepha la zonke izinto zokuthi senze. Ngikhuluma nawe mshumeli, ngikhuluma nawe doti. Phela kangizile ukuthi ngizokhona ukufezela ngifane nabanye abantu. Phela manje sengiphuma ebukhukhu wangitshela ukuthi ngifunda isikole. Iyabulala bafaka, ayinkinga le. Impilo iyabulala yini leya? Yini manje lesikhwama lesi? Umama bayalahla kawuyazi ima ile packing. Makile nto zalabelungu mina kakuthi bawuthini. Ayasebenza lamafoni. Ayasebenza. Ayasebenza le. Yini? Kalo titi la zabelungu azizakala. Titi edize de bafana. Ay ukuthi impilo inzima bafuyikho nje mina ngisamthethe umsebenzi ayibona ngifaka lesikhwama lesikhulu ya kitholena manje dawenza umsanga wena ikudakile umsanga msuna wakho futhi ngicela umqosho utshela ukuthi ngithumela soka afeli ka ngathi ungiyini
Usho fethazi ka uthamela ngicabanga ngithenga imoto next year. Ngithola imoto Tiji buba
Inina solo nation inawawona
bafethu
indaba
Gucci don't get too attached to me.
They
act like the answer. Wanna love again in movies, wasting precious time assuming.
bafethu kanjani
What we made to fall. So and so exploring what I need. Cause thousands of times I swear that I knew the wisdom was handy. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave it till empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tell me.
bafethu ngishintsheni
esikolweni bafethu
bafela
bafethu sengabuyela esikolweni bafethu bafethu savumelana ukuthi sesikoleni sesikole hayibo basasangale yandlela leya labo
ubukasa bawayo
bafethu shetsawa kanje asibasobe check kululweni labafana laba bathi
sijafuni manje yabo kanithekele kingimeli lapha yasi teach nesifuba ngathi nakaka 6 now